Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. If you like to grow naturally and organically, give your potted plants nature's best with Sunshine Natural and Organic Potting Mix, a fertile, all-purpose potting soil formulated for indoor and outdoor growing. 100% natural and organic ingredients make this high-performance mix perfect for growing flowers, vegetables, and herbs in pots, window boxes, and raised beds. Sunshine Natural and Organic Potting Mix contains Canadian sphagnum peat moss, perlite, dolomite lime, and an organic wetting agent. Visit sunshinemixes.com to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos and articles. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Sunshine purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.